What if the reason you crash at 3 p.m., the reason your genes stage a protest, and the reason your brain fogs over by noon isn't a willpower failure at all? What if it's a set of metabolic signals you can flip, one lever at a time, starting this week?
And what if the plan didn't require a 5 a.m. club, a pantry purge, or a personality transplant? Today, we'll map the 5 levers of metabolic health, then give you a 7-day starter that actually fits a real life. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do tomorrow morning and why it works.
Quick note before we jump in, this episode is educational, not medical advice. Talk to your clinician for personal decisions. All right, AI, let's go.
Here's the game plan. First, we'll name the problem in plain English so you're not fighting shadows. Then we'll stack 5 daily levers: sleep rhythm, movement, protein-first nutrition, stress regulation, and environment design. Finally, we'll build a 7-day on-ramp with tiny, winnable steps. Save this video. You'll use it all week.
Start with the truth. What is metabolic syndrome without the jargon?
It's not one switch that's on or off. It's a cluster of risk markers that tend to travel together, like a group chat. Think: more fat stored around the waist, higher fasting glucose, higher triglycerides, lower HDL, and rising blood pressure. You don't need to memorize numbers today. You just need to know this: these markers reflect how your body handles energy and stress. When the signals drift, energy, focus, and long-term health all take a hit.
So if it's a cluster, why do so many plans fall apart?
Because they tug one string and ignore the knot. The fix is 5 simple levers in a smart order, so one win makes the next one easier. That's how you build momentum instead of burnout.
Let's hit the levers. Fast, practical, copy and paste.
Lever 1, sleep and circadian rhythm. Pick a bedtime you can keep within a 30-minute window. Tomorrow morning, get outdoor light for 5 to 10 minutes within an hour of waking, before caffeine if you can. That light cue helps align the hormones that set energy, appetite, and focus for the day.
No sun, raining sideways.
Cloudy daylight still beats indoor light by a mile. Lever 2, movement, especially NEAT and short post-meal walks. Add 1,500 steps to whatever you did yesterday. And after your main meals, walk 10 to 15 minutes. It's a simple way to shuttle glucose into working muscle.
So the after-lunch stroll isn't bonus, it's the assignment.
Exactly. Lever 3, protein-first nutrition. Aim for approximately 30 grams of quality protein at breakfast. Then build the plate with fiber-rich carbs and produce. Think Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, eggs with veggies, or a protein smoothie, plus fruit you can chew. Delay caffeine 60 to 90 minutes after waking to dodge the early cortisol spike crash.
And ultra-processed snacky stuff?
Make it invisible. We'll fix that with environment design in a second. Lever 4, stress regulation. Twice a day, do 90 seconds of controlled breathing, like 2 slow inhales through the nose, 1 long exhale through the mouth. It's a quick downshift that nudges heart rate variability in the right direction.
90 seconds I can do.
Lever 5, environment and friction. Put your phone charger outside the bedroom. Place a pre-portioned protein snack at eye level in the fridge. Keep your walking shoes by the door, laces already open. When healthy actions are the easiest actions, you don't need superhuman discipline.
Quick pause. If this is helping, subscribe, like the video, and share so it reaches someone who needs it. Save this as your 7-day guide and comment the one word you'll start with: light, walk, protein, breath, or friction. All right, now let's get back to it. Okay, 5 levers. But most people don't need more information, they need a plan. Walk me through a week.
Welcome to your 7-day metabolism starter. If life is chaotic, shrink the steps. Don't skip the sequence. Ready? Day 1, light plus walk plus water. Tomorrow, get 5 to 10 minutes of outdoor light within an hour of waking. Drink a big glass of water. After lunch, walk 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. 2 wins before noon, 1 after.
We're starting simple on purpose, to win early.
Day 2, add calm. Keep day 1, plus do 90 seconds of the breathing downshift at 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Set 2 reminders now.
Tiny dose, repeatable dose.
Day 3, protein. First breakfast. Hit approximately 30 grams of protein at breakfast. Delay caffeine 60 to 90 minutes. Keep light, walk, water, and breaths.
Any quick combos for people sprinting to work?
Greek yogurt plus whey plus frozen berries, or eggs plus leftover veggies plus avocado. Day 4. First focus block plus plate order. Do a 20 to 25 minute single task focus block after the light and breakfast. Phone docked, 2 apps max. At meals, try protein/veg first, then starch. It often flattens the post-meal spike.
So we're protecting energy and training the brain that morning's equal progress.
Exactly. Day 5, stretch movement. Add 1,500 steps above day 3's number and keep the post-meal walks. If time is tight, break steps into 5 5-minute laps across the day.
Sneaky steps count for desks, parents, everyone.
Day 6, strength starter. 10 to 15 minutes. Pick 3 patterns: push, hinge, squat with body weight or light weights. Example circuit: incline push-ups on a counter, hip hinges or light deadlifts, and air squats. 2 rounds, done.
Short, doable, repeatable.
Day 7, review and lock. Which step felt easiest? Lock it for next week. Which step broke? Shrink it. Don't delete it. For example, if 15 minutes after dinner was tough, make it 7 minutes and add a phone call or podcast so it's pleasant.
Okay, give us the tracking piece without turning this into a spreadsheet sport.
Pick 2, not 10. Steps, daily. Protein servings, just tally breakfast plus 1 other meal. Bedtime window, plus or minus minutes from target. Waist to height ratio trend over weeks, not days. Any tiny improvement is a win. We're reinforcing the identity. I'm the kind of person who nudges my signals in the right direction.
Let's pressure test this with real life. What about remote workers glued to their chairs?
Block your first 30 minutes for light plus quick walk plus protein first. Start your inbox after that. Use a water bottle as a timer. Every time you fill it, take 300 steps.
Shift workers?
Anchor the routine to when you wake, not what the clock says. Light in your first hour. Delay caffeine 60 minutes from wake time. Keep the after meal 10-minute walks.
Parents with small kids?
Stroller sunlight is 2 birds with 1 stone. Light plus movement. Keep breakfast protein ready to grab. Egg bites, yogurt cups, or leftovers.
Let's talk pitfalls so people don't trip the same wire twice.
3 common ones: all or nothing dieting, torches motivation, shrink steps, don't skip steps, scale only thinking, misses body composition and energy wins, track behaviors too, supplement chasing, trying powders before pillars. Foundations first, supplements can come later with your clinician.
I want a 1-minute playbook people can screenshot. Go.
Here it is. Morning, light 5 to 10 minutes. Hydrate, protein first. Delay caffeine 60 to 90 minutes. 20 to 25 minute focus block. Midday, 10 to 15 minute walk after meals. 1 90-second downshift breath. Evening, keep the bedtime within a 30-minute window. Phone charger sleeps outside the room. Shoes ready by the door for tomorrow.
That's the plan. But people don't change because they learn something. They change because they feel something. So picture this.
You wake before the alarm. Your first thought isn't dread, it's movement. The kitchen is set up to help you win. You walk after meals and your mood doesn't crash at 3. Your genes don't argue. Your brain stays online. And it wasn't heroic. It was lever by lever.
Okay, payoff promised, payoff delivered. If you're watching, do this right now. Rename tomorrow's alarm to Light Arrow Move Arrow Protein. That tiny cue will start your momentum loop.
2 final requests that also help more people find this. Save this episode as your 7-day guide. Comment with the lever you'll start today: light, walk, protein, breath, or friction.
There's a free Metabolism starter plan checklist linked below. Print it or keep it on your phone. And if you want the next layer, how insulin sensitivity shifts across the month and how to progress strength without burning out, subscribe so you don't miss it.
This is What If AI Told You, where we turn science into steps you can actually live with. See you tomorrow morning for light, water, and a short walk. You've got this.